somebody watch you.
That mean him did have a good sleep.
You sleep all night.
Yeah,
Till
man.
you dream me. You just lose your work without pay.
Me build the one for the girl in the go-go club. God, no. This is for the one in the massage parlor, I know. Listen me. I remember the first time I went to a strip club. We Jamaicans call it go-go club. You see the Hannah whole night is stuck in my pocket. I know me not take it out. See that? It's still stuck in my pocket. Yeah, man. And from me I talk about go-go club, all you know say is a Bawdacat video.
You ever feel up a girl that like finger put and go bill a split? Without washing? Lie it. Lie you know I tell. Me I tell you no say a lie. Yeah man, lie you know I tell man. Then can happen to me. Yeah man, it happen man. You can't bother with it, Jerry. We not deal with it.
When I was in high school, they got my brother name Reedy. Man say Loss. I think we're in 7th grade. Man say, if you ever should have a finger on a female, don't just put your hand in your nose so cause you might just slip and touch your mouth, touch your lip, all kind of things. Go so. That the way there, you can't touch your mouth. But always smoke or lick it back. Yeah man, cause enough time they do certain things with their hand and they don't wash their hand. Anyways, we are move forward.
With Forest, I go in a film bottom. I come up a farm up test and go use bush clean. Drop pants with batty wall full of bush. I check say well that never clean out good him gone drop pants in front doctor. I tell him say no papa. We not go can use you. 3 are going at this. If you go back to.
Oh, me can't want to do sometimes. Doctor said, no brother, we can't use you. 3 are grow in a this. You remember as I look at you, young girl, you go a cane field or you go a bush or you go a mango farm or whatever it is, you get a crab bush and you have a leg out and load. How you use that clean your butt? Moving forward, 3 are growing in your butt. You don't want your pretty boot wet up, you know. It wet up already. Hey, Bawdacat not easy, you know. Bawdacat with a whitey. And who that? She MP for Portland. Bawdacat a traveling world and traveling country. We need to go to Portland. I've never been to Portland. Guess I don't have enough minerals up there. Tongue twist tonight again. Anyways, me move forward here, man. Bawdacat always Bawdacat is the defender of Addy. Here's another video. Bawdacat a defend Addy and Daddy.
How much man tell Prime Minister go suck mother?
I don't have run out of bed.
If you ever tell Cartel that blood clot, you see something.
What?
Tell Addy that you see something.
What?
Tell Addy that. Anyone who nobody make up face. Just tell Addy that. Yeah. Just tell Addy say Addy go suck mother.
A regular man telling go suck him mother. Who want
You ever do that?
I one community man attend to go suck him mother.
When?
I tell you, no place where you can go.
When?
Come on, I do fuck around and can't go.
You approve to that?
Alright, our bumbo class Sunday tell him say wait. Mavada.
In a song, when them are cuts.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't tell her to go suck mother.
What make? I will make him.
You have to run where?
Yeah, idiot.
So him can't go no eat, can't go no.
See phone, do it on the phone. Do it, tell her to no go suck. Tell her to go suck. Tell her to go suck mother. You know.
Bawdacat a troublemaker, you know. Tell Addy if you go SYM. Tell Addy if you go SYM. Anybody can get it. But I will happen after. And as a Jamaican, if you make words draw you out, you relax yourself. Yeah, man. When Ninja Man say, me suck my mother, but your mother suck me, and the world sit and see it on the TV. Hey! Anybody tell me if you suck my mother? Okay. The hell let me shoot nobody or start fight nobody and cuss nobody, then me and them a tangle it out and them a shoot me, I shoot them over SYM. Hell no. But anybody can tell anybody for SYM, but what happened after? So I'm gonna advise it, because us Jamaicans, we're very emotional. Jamaican men are way more emotional than the Jamaican women. And that's a fact. That's why Jamaican men always a woman and a woman, all kind of things to woman. And soft, emotional, moving forward.
So why make you want to wash my woman job? Why me can't wash my woman job? Me wash job, me wash everything, dress here and everything. Yeah.
I never said that for your camera.
Me say me wash job, me wash dress here. So where a man going to beat me, kill me, to me wash that? If I try that blood clot into your wicked being.
Bawdacat friend say, you wash jazz and bra. What you mean, my brother? Wash up your girl jazz, wash up your girl brazier, because you will take them off. What you mean? Nothing wrong. I think he is the same person in the previous video where can't tell Addy for SYM. And see him here again. How am I defend now? We will see what I go on with him.
And he no left you.
I know me tell him that. I know me tell
So
him
you
that.
can't just give but not forget, man.
No, but if she want to stay with me, left to
She
she.
will live with it now. She will live with it now.
I know me tell
Remember, me
her
no
no
beg him
left
say,
me.
baby, no bad and no do me that.
Yeah.
Me man a ball for my woman. Me never left a woman yet and them always left me now.
And your ball when them a left.
What you mean? Me no want them left. Yet me want them left. Me love woman, you know. Me no want them
And
left.
that me tell her, I said, none of my girl them. And I'm left them.
Me no yet me ball for my woman.
Me a left woman a
Oh,
go.
can you know?
Yeah.
You have one woman that's a woman. You get a next one, two woman that's a
Look at the necklace
left
of
that
Africa
woman
by night.
there. You know, you don't want. Me not left no man.
Have them have to left me.
Them have left me. So when you circle back, and say, remember, say you left me.
I never tell you yet. Say me a left.
Me not left you. Oh, me a
The
left.
fuck you know that
I'm
woman
not
glad.
going to touch man. Fine.
I let me catch man.
No, man, me a left after that.
No, me not left that.
The boss said if he catching woman with money, still not left for her, brother. And you ball in front of your woman, never ever take back a cheater. Never ever cry in front of a woman. Because if you do, she gonna lose respect for you. Moving forward.
Your dream saying, no must you it happen to you now.
Before you go man dreams, you get shot. What you
Mm.
gonna do?
I'm a good dream that.
You go tell yourself say no good
You
dream.
walk hide from gun. Hey, that not trouble me.
Not trouble me.
A dream.
No trouble me, I just a dream, yeah. Me tell me.
One thing me can dream in a life, you know. Me can never dream that. No time at all.
Oh, you answer that so fast, Jerry.
Yeah, that you can't dream that, man.
We
never dreamed that
Man, we have that in mind. Me can't dream that.
Cause that must in your
Yeah,
subconscious
me can't
somewhere.
dream that. Me conscious man that.
So the watchman did tell the boss saying dream him last night.
My idiot.
Watchman.
I work him did one lose.
At first thing he tell the boss a man in saying the dream see boss last night. And then him a the watch here.
That mean him did have a good sleep.
You sleep all night.
Yeah,
Till
man.
you dream me. You just lose your fucking work without pay.
Man, I work him did one.
Yeah, and then you go tell the boss a man and say you dream him last night. Lie him a tell him about nothing to say. You know some man we just like talk.
One thing me no dream about. of a F body. Never. As a youth, man, having dreams. Dream what they call wet dream. And now when me an adult, me figure out why they call it wet dream, you know. Because when you wake up, you hold your wet from your semen. Shit. But Bawdacat, man, Bawdacat. Him and his friend them. Him and him combo load them as my granny would say. Yeah, you combo load them, come out of my house. Them a drama. Them a comedy. Them full of joke. And we get laughter. Anyways, we come to the end of the video. You see me? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. And see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. God bless.